Just ready to leave Daly Waters now. Probably punch out 55 k's to get this little campsite. And then from there it'll be about 115 to Mataranka, the hot springs there. It's been a good stay. It's about 2 o'clock now, so getting moving. Just bloody pulled up here. Sunny's fell on the floor, then the bike fell after it, and they're absolutely buggered. Anyway, it's 35 k's down to where I need to go. Found me what do you call these? Fucking little thingy. Get the hair out of my face. We've just made it, well, not just, to this Alexander Forest camp. Always like to come to these bins here, full of plastic, disposable coffee cups, you name it, it's in there. Just gonna talk to myself for a bit.
Roger.
Roger. Tin of chunky for brekkie. The shop had nothing in it, just got some beans and stuff. There's a little shop about 30 k's from here, so hopefully I can get some stuff there. If I can get this can open. Cold soup.
Seems like it didn't do it for me. Another punter pissed himself off. It was a bit pie in your face, wasn't it?
Pie in your face?
Humour.
I've actually made it to Katherine now. 100 k's today on the bike, had yesterday off. And these roads are just stressful, very stressful. Lots of caravans, they don't give you hardly any space. And it's just gonna be this all the way to Darwin. It's not enjoyable, that's all. There's nothing to see on the way, there's nothing to film. And I'm just a bit over these roads. You're just in a constant high stress state the whole time. Constantly checking the mirror, over your shoulder. Yeah, it's not fun. Not fun at all, really. We're staying at this Katherine Outback Experience. Ant's friend runs it, and it's like a dog show, a horse show, and all stuff like that. So should be good. I might watch a show in the morning and then leave tomorrow afternoon. Ant's leaving now for Darwin. He's gonna get the bus tomorrow. Not sure about Shaun. I think he'll head up to Darwin with me. But yeah, so from here, we've probably got 3 or 4 days riding. And I'm so keen to get to Darwin. So keen.
Yeah. Well, normally I've kept.
They're just getting prepped for the show now. Ant's in the arena. Should be good. It starts in about 20 minutes. Real keen to watch old Tom at work.
Rolling down a dirt track, lying on a haystack, fishing at the river bend. Rocking on a dirt bike, music on a satellite, hanging with a bunch of friends. Cricket in a dust bowl, swimming at the water hole, that's alright by me. And we're living.
So I'm basically communicating to this horse with my body language. So yeah, if he wants to be out there, well then I'm gonna make it harder for him out there and chase him. Now slow my body posture down, hopefully I can go on back. And that's basically all I'm looking for. Level of the horse, and yeah, so if he wants to buck and carry on, this is pretty much his opportunity to do so. Ooh, mate. But yeah, whatever you do on one side, you always do on the other, because, ooh, mate. Yeah, because horses have 2 sides of its brain, so yeah, try and work both sides of his brains. Ooh, mate. Ooh, mate. Yeah, see how he's not really traveling out. going to the right.
Shout out to one of my best mates back in Sydney, Albie. This is the albino water buffalo. He's covered in red dirt, and he's a good lad. He's a good lad.
Then they don't get so frightened, okay? With dog Snow, that'll do. So Snow came from down in Queensland. He was out with my younger brother, and right foot comes back around here. So I've got to try to get control of the horse. Very good. And I'll just spin him round this way. Very good. Well, now Brianna's got control. So we'll see what happens, okay? And they say men can't multitask, and we can't, but that's where I need you guys to help me sing the words of the song. I always forget the words of the song. He got married early, never had no money, till he got laid off, really hit the skid. And he started drinking, and he started fighting, took it pretty badly. She took both the kids. She said, I'm not standing by to watch you slowly die, to watch me walking out the door, out the door. That might do it. Full of zombies. Met a strange lady, made me nervous. Took me out and gave me breakfast. She said, you come from a land down under. Women glow and men wonder. Can you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. And we're just trying this thing. See if we can get Trev away. Sit, Trev away. Lucy back. Trev away, Lucy back. Good dog, Lucy back. Good dog. Trev away, keep out. Lucy back. Good dog. Trev sit, Bob sit. Lucy sit, good. Might just get off while I'm ahead, will mate? Good dog. Yeah, no, he's pretty tough. He's full of road change, 50 miles. He just doesn't like to roll. He's one tough fella.
I'm actually in a Woolies. First Woolies since Atherton, which was day two or three. Absolutely stoked. Absolutely stoked. Avocados are $1.90 each. Good on you, Woolies. So I'm about 20 k's outside of Katherine. It's almost 4 o'clock. A very late start. So we're just gonna do about 35 today. Shaun is gone as well. So I'm back on my own. So, yeah, I'm all alone again. But no, it's good. Happy to be back. Happy to be on the road. Pretty keen to get to Darwin. Yow! Just made it to this little sort of roadside stop, which was 30 k's from the Outback, Katherine Outback Experience, where I stayed last night. Stopped in at the Woolies. Stocked up on a few of these bad boys and some of the typical bananas and avocados, which I constantly feel I go on about. There will be a few places to pick up food along the way as well, but it was just so nice to be in a proper, well-priced supermarket again. Didn't feel like I'm spending all my money on tins of spam. Yeah. So I'm not sure where to get to tomorrow. Pine Creek is 65 k's, there's caravan park there. Or I might just blow on through. I'm so close to Darwin, but my parents are flying up on Saturday the 13th, and they'll be there for a week. So if I do it in 3 days from here, I'll get there on Monday. So I have a fair amount of time just to hang out by myself, which I'm not sure I'm all that keen on. But that'll give me about 2 weeks rest, which is well needed, well deserved as well, I reckon. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll plan it out. Plan it out.